Meaning of endwise.
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 Endwise. Endwise is an adverb that means in the direction of the end or tip. It is typically used to describe the orientation or positioning of an object. For example, one might say I held the stick endwise to indicate that they were holding it with one end pointing upwards and the other end pointing downwards. This usage is particularly common in woodworking and construction, where it is important to maintain the correct orientation of tools and materials. Overall, endwise is a useful word for expressing precise directional information.